Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this week we're going to talk about jobs, resumes, careers. So, firstly, let's see how do we create ATS-friendly resumes. Let's get started. So we'll go to any of the LLMs like Gemini, and we're going to give a prompt, right? Before that, let me show you how the entire prompt looks like. Okay, and this is what it is. Understand the attached resume image carefully and analyze the complete structure, layout, spacing, typography, section ordering, alignment, icons, margins, ATS friendly formatting, and overall design style in detail. Okay. And then we'll ask, okay, we need you to recreate the exact resume format in Overleaf. That is LaTeX code with high accuracy and professional quality. Okay. And then we'll give some requirements, generate the complete Overleaf LaTeX code from beginning to end. The code should be fully detailed, properly structured, and production ready, and a lot more details, right? And then we will give resume information. What is the name? What is the email address? So we have few more details, and then we give the resume information like name, email address, GitHub, LinkedIn, whatever you want to add, you can add that. Some summary like computer science undergraduate with hands-on experience in AI automation. So give all of this requirements, and then we have resume information like name, email address, GitHub, LinkedIn, whatever you want. And then we have summary like computer science undergraduate with hands-on experience in AI automation, full stack development, and enterprise grade workflow solution. Now, it's a bit too much. Not regularly you would find some undergraduate who has enterprise grade workflow solutions and stuff like that. But anyways, let's assume this is true and let's go ahead. Passionate about building scalable AI-powered applications, intelligent automation systems, and modern digital products using cutting-edge technologies. Strong foundation in data structure and algorithms, problem solving, and software engineering concept with proven leadership and collaborative experience across technical and creative domains. And we'll also give the details of our experience and so on and so forth. Now, it need not be so structured. Okay, you can just give it in plain English as well. Like from October 2025 to Feb 2026, I've been working as AI solutions engineer at Google AI Labs, blah blah blah. Okay. Now, for those of you who are students, okay, because this series is meant for students, if you don't have any experience, that's completely fine. Okay, whatever is relevant for your profile, just include that. Remaining things you can just ignore. Okay. Projects, of course, these days, even college students will have multiple projects because they start projects even in second year and so on and so forth. So give all the projects that you are a part of, okay, all the details about that particular project. And education, of course, add your education, okay, and certifications and achievements, if you have any of those, please add those also, right? Once all of these details are ready, let's head back to Gemini, and we will add all of this information, right? So same information I just copied and pasted it over here. Now I'm going to add a file, which is the resume. I'm going to show you how the sample resume looks like. Just a minute. So you can see here, this is the sample resume that we've got, right? So I'll just click on done and let's hit enter. Now I'm in the pro plan. Okay, so output that I get and the output you might get if you are using the fast mode, okay, then it could be different, right? So I'll click on submit. Let's wait for it. So while this is generating, let's understand a couple of things. What is ATS, right? This is Application Tracking System. Yeah, so you can see here, ATS-friendly resume is formatted and keyword optimized so applicant tracking system can easily read, parse, and rank it. Okay, so that is ATS-friendly. Let's understand what is LaTeX, right? LaTeX resume means, right? A LaTeX resume is a professional document created using LaTeX, a high quality typesetting system. Instead of using drag and drop word processor like MS Word or Google Docs, you write plain text combined with formatting code. It yields highly polished, perfectly aligned, and professional results. Okay, so I am using Overleaf for this, and we can create a new project from here, and let's say blank project, right? I'll give this a name, Ritesh Test. Click on create, and you see this is the code right now. So, and this is the output. Okay, so based on this code, the output will also keep changing. So let's wait and see if this has, yeah, it has generated the code. So I'm going to copy this. I'll come back here. I'll paste this particular code, and all I have to do is click on recompile. It'll take a few seconds and generate a well polished resume. There you go. So let's check if it has generated. Yes, it has generated. Is it complete? Not yet. So let's wait for it to finish, and we can copy it from here, go to Overleaf and paste it. So a few more seconds. Yeah, end document. So I'm going over here, copying this, coming back to Overleaf, pasting it, and all we have to do is click on recompile. Right, there you go. It's ready, fully formatted and well structured, right? So I'd given my name as Ritesh, and the email address added here, GitHub added here, the LinkedIn added over here, right? And we have the summary, experiences, okay, 2 experience added, projects 1, 2, 3, 4 projects added, education also added here, skills added, certifications and achievements added over here. Okay, so it has become a 2-page structured resume. Now, if I want to change anything, let's assume that I want to just go here. Okay, click on ecosystem, wherever you want to edit, right? It will take you to a particular place, and all you have to do is add anything that you need. Let's say, for example, here it says worked on developing enterprise level AI workflow systems and intelligent automation solutions, focused on improving productivity and operational efficiency across educational and business ecosystems. Okay, and I'll also mention educational, let's say sports and business ecosystem. Okay, I just wanted to show you how this works. So I've added some random thing. Let's click on recompile, and you should be able to see that changes happening here. Okay, educational, sports and business ecosystem. Okay, likewise, if you want to change anything, okay, let's say you want to add one more project. Okay, all you have to do is go here, right, this particular one. So what you have to do is copy this particular thing, okay, and paste it over here. Click on recompile, and we should have 2 of them. Okay, you should see here enterprise pitch flow, enterprise pitch flow. Now just go here, okay, and change whatever you need. So let's say, for example, this I'll call it as project 1, 2, 3, right? Click on recompile, and you will have the updated resume. Okay, once you feel that everything is good, just click on download PDF, and we have a fully ready resume with all the details that we wanted. Okay, well structured and ATS friendly. Now you might ask me, can I not do it with Google Docs or Microsoft Word? You can, but think about how much time you will be spending to get this done. Also, it has to be ATS friendly and LaTeX code based. And that's how you can create your resume quickly with any LLM like Gemini or Perplexity or Manus, right? And using Overleaf to generate your resume in LaTeX format. Quick, easy, and polished. So if you have still not generated your resume or looking to update your resume, then go ahead, follow this process and let me know how simple this process was for you to generate your resume. And do not forget to share with your fellow friends so that they can also generate their new resume. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.